for our final transformation, we again draw our mountain function and choose some subset, in this case from 0 up to 0.5, and then subtract from those x's minus 1, giving us the set between -1 and minus 0.5. Under the action now of the mountain function, we map those x's into the following arc, and since all those y's along the arc must be attached to the x's along the original set from 0 up to 0.5, well, we draw those pairs, which gives us the following arc, which is just a piece of the composite function. We now repeat the procedure and choose again now the set from 0.5 up to 1. Under the image of this set under the action of the g function shifts those values to the left. So the set now becomes, the image set becomes from minus 0.5 up to 0. And now again, the f function acts on those, giving us the new arc, whose y values must be attached to the x values between 0.5 and 1. And finally, drawing those pairs gives us this new arc. Now you just repeat the procedure, again, from 1 to 1.5, again, shift the same to the left, map it into the arc, and get those y values and attach them to the original x's, and again, we get a new piece of the composite function, and so on. The g function always maps the horizontal sets and shifts them to the left, but on the other end, the function is shifted to the right by the same amount.